Hi there guys, I'm going to install a new head unit in this car. It's a Toyota Avensis T27, year 2009 model, and I've received this one from iDoing. I want to say a big thank you to the company for providing this unit. I'm going to install it in this video and also review the unit. Let's see what's inside here. So first we have the installation guide. Not gonna go over the details. I'll probably leave a screenshot later in the video about all the cables and the connections. Okay, what else do we have in here? Okay, here's a HD camera, reversing camera. So I might end up installing this one as well, but this will be a separate video. And yeah, I will leave a link in the description for the video of this camera installation. Next we have, okay, this is the plastic frame that goes around the unit. It's a different color, not matching my car. Let's see. And the Android screen itself in here. Pull this out. Okay. Yeah. Nice and decent. Okay, this one already has the frame around and it's black, so this is the one I'm gonna use because it matches my car's interior. And let's put this aside. And here we have all the cables required and some pry tools will come in handy. I will give more detailed information about the cables while I'm connecting it to the unit and doing the installation steps. So basically I have to remove this trim here, like all around. This will be like one piece. Around the edges here, I have to make like a gap here on this side and on this side. And with the pry tool I will start prying it out here and then removing it. Okay, let's go. I have to make a little bit of space here, so it's stuck here at the bottom, here and here. Okay, so this one's out. There's a cable connected here. I need to disconnect this. Okay, and now this existing radio is held by 4 screws. Let me go a bit closer. So there's a screw here, this one, and then on the other side, same here, and then on top we have 1 and 2. So I have to undo the 4 screws. Okay, I got the screws out the way. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect all the harness connectors here. One thing I wanted to mention, if you struggle to pull out the radio, the existing one, because of the sides here, because they're in the way, I've just made some space here, but what you can do is you remove this whole trim, like this whole piece of plastic, by starting here, removing this bottom plastic piece, and then next one would be this one here, just like that. It comes out easy. And then this one as well. You pretty much just pull it out. There you go. Now you have more space, and now you can pull out the radio easily. And the same on the other side. You just do the same on the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to connect all the supplied cables. This one is a 6-pin, and it's a SIM card holder. Here you can insert a SIM card here, and this one goes here, 6 pins. Next one is this one here, 8-pin connector for brake, mic and Wi-Fi. So this one goes 8 pins right next to it. Then we have a USB here, USB outlet. This one is a 4-pin, which goes into this 4-pin slot. Then we have another double USB port, also 8-pin connector, which will go in here. Okay. And this antenna cable goes in here. And the next one here is so this cable set is 10-pin, clicks in here. Okay, and this one also has the antenna, which will connect with this. There you go, just like that. And then these ones here are all the RCA, audio video subwoofer. It's a 14-pin, connects in here. Next we have our Wi-Fi antenna. It's gonna go into the 1 and 2. It says 4G here. It's gonna go into these two. Next is this GPS, and the GPS goes into this last port here. Okay, and the mic supplied plugs straight into this mic port. Okay. Also, one more step is to remove these 4 plastic pieces here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, because they're gonna go onto the new radio. It's just like clips. I'm gonna remove them quickly, and they usually come out easily. And then you just snap them into the new unit. That's it. Okay, now I'm gonna connect the unit to the car. The WSP cables we have, you can just feed them through to the glove compartment here. There you go. Okay. And next, the GPS antenna. I'll just stick it inside onto the body. Just somewhere inside here, so it's not in the way. You slide the radio in. Okay. And this one here will also need to just go somewhere in the back. And there. There. And the mic, I'll just feed it through here. And it's just gonna come out here. I'll place it here. There. Now it's time to connect all the sockets. I've connected all the harness connectors now. Just gonna put this unit in. Okay, this part's done. Now I have to separate this lower frame here. The screen is now installed. Looks very nice. I think it's a beautiful upgrade. Let's start it. There you go. Now that the screen is installed, I want to do a quick review here. Just go through the specifications and some functions of this unit. This is the main screen. You swipe to the right and you have all your apps here. And if you swipe to the left, you see this beautiful screen. It will tell you your speed while you're driving, and the distance, the time, how long you've driven for. You can play your music here, and go into the I want to go into the settings. And first off, let's go into the general settings and set up the steering wheel settings. You can program your steering wheel functions. So let's press this one here, and what you have to do is hold down, for example, you hold down this mode button, and now you select I want to use source for this button, and there it is. So that's how it's programmed. So when I click the button now, when I change the mode, it changes it on the screen. And that's how you program. Obviously you can choose whatever function you want to assign to each button, and that's how you program them. Also I want to show quickly, if I go into the settings again, let's see about this unit. So this one here, this is all the information, device info, and this one is an octa-core 2.7 gig, 6 gigs memory and 128 GB storage. So it works very smooth. There's no delay, no lagging. And for connecting the internet, you just go into the settings. I have already connected my internet here. So here's the Wi-Fi, you turn it on. You have to add your network the first time you do it. And the beep that we hear every time I press a button, I wanna switch that off. So for turning off the beep, I go into sound, and here, keypad tone turned off. Yeah, and now it's gone. So let's go back here into the main menu. We have media, we have equalizer if you want to set up your car speakers, your bass enhancement, surround. Yeah, you can adjust all these functions. And there's actually a lot of functions. I'm obviously not going to go through everything. If you have any questions about something specific, you can ask me in the comments. I will try to answer it as much as I know, or I will try to figure it out and let you know. So yeah, it's pretty decent. I'm really happy with this. I want to say thank you again to iDoing for providing this unit. And I will leave a link in the description, and also there's a pop-up here. You can click here if you want to order your own unit for this specific car, for this Toyota, or they have it available for many different makes and models. So yeah, that's pretty much all. There's lots of settings that you can do. One more function I want to mention is when you click onto factory, you're gonna need the password here, and the password is 368. Yeah, and now you have all the master settings here. Just wanted you to know the password. Obviously we have Bluetooth here if you want to connect it to your phone's Bluetooth. Let's go back home. I'm very happy with this. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.